Okay folks, the next stage of the process here is getting onto your computer and then browsing to trailforks.com. Once you're there, go to the top right corner and just choose to log in using your Trailforks username and password. Once you've done that, find the ride log menu and choose My Ride Log. So once you've uploaded your new route from Trailforks on your phone, you're going to find it here in the list. So here's this new ride log that I just uploaded from the phone. So if you click on it here, so you can get into it and find it. Now what you can do is over on the right hand side here, you can see it, you can choose download KML or download GPX. Either one of those will be fine, so go ahead and download that trail. And then what we need to do is we need to take the KML file and then upload it into the shared collaborative map that's been provided on your Facebook page. So go and find that Facebook link to the Google Maps and get that open. So it'll open up here, got it open here in a new tab. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and import this KML file. So first of all, you got to find out where your KML file is. So here it's in my downloads folder. So I go back to my my tab here with the Google Map, and one of the options at the bottom here will be to import a KML file. So I'm going to hit import, and so I can either just drag and drop it here, so I can do that. So I'm going to go and grab this thing, drag it, bring it back in, and drop it into the box here. And it's as easy as that. So now you're going to be able to see where that new path is. So you'll be able to zoom in on it. And like was shown in an earlier video, you can click on that thing, hit the style button, because it's going to show up black initially. So change it to a more visible color, and then adjust the width of the track so that you can see it. So that new path will show up here. Now you can right click and give this thing a name. So if you want to give it a new name here, and then you can give it a new description as well, because it just points to the Trailforks link there. Okay, so once that's done, your new trail will be listed there, and you'll be able to see it on a map, and allows the team who are putting together the new trails in the area to see where this new proposed trail is going to be. Alright, any questions, shoot me an email, wes@fvmba.com.